Don't jump in, like walking, okay?
What's up, everybody? It's gonna be Mini Death Ray. On this side, you got the hairy boy, the stinky boy. His name is Jonathan. Dude, take a shower. On his partner, he is a flexible guy. He has a stinky odor. Let's give it for Giovanni.
I do not stink.
And their team is the hairy bags. On this side, the fat one, the hairy one, the messed up hair one. Give it up for Ashley.
Shut up!
And her Jackie Parker. She's got a little odor too. All of these contestants have odors. But I guess that's all I have to say. Give it up for Melanie. Now, one of these contestants, if they lose the race, they will be getting their balls chopped off. Now, get ready.
Hey, Ashley,
In
don't
5,
know you were
4,
mad.
3, 2, 1, get the flag!
Ah! Whoa! Fire, Joe! Ah! Oh shit, dude! Hey, watch it! People, you're the furthest in. Oh shit, shit! We're gonna make it!
The third champion in a row. Actually, the 3,000 champion in a row. That's all we have to say, America. Next week, we're gonna have, on October the 13th, you're gonna have a new video. If you don't see it, go fuck yourself.